So this bus is gone, and can you see this? It's called Periyar House, and this is the place where I love to stay. This is the first option. If any one of you are coming here and if you want to book a room, you have to come here. You have to experience this. There are 3 hotels here run by the government, KTDC. That is the Periyar House, Aryan Nivas, and the Lake Palace. Lake Palace is the King's Palace, the Travancore King's Palace, and it has been converted into a hotel. And it is on an island, so you have to go by boat. So this is what I wanted to show you. This is my favorite place. Can you hear the sound of birds and all? I hope you could hear the sound. And what a property in the heart of the forest. And you can, morning and evenings, you can see a lot of wildlife here, like spotted deers, barking deer, then wild pigs and porcupines, so many birds and butterflies, monkeys, then Indian langur, you name it, elephants. The elephants, they come here but not here inside, but they have seen elephants coming behind this property. I'll be taking you behind this. So this is the property. So when you enter here, hello sir. Bini Anna? Bini? So this is the reception and the waiting area. So Mr. Prince. And this is the reception. He is the front manager and he will show us the property. So yeah. So here, as I said, then there are newspaper. There is a Wi-Fi also connection here, and a lot of monkeys here actually. So can you see the restaurant has a grill over there? So the monkeys don't come inside. And this place you can play badminton. Beautiful roses. See the roses. There are rooms up over there. So this is the restaurant. And now food is included or?
Breakfast is included.
Breakfast is. So breakfast is included. Those days dinner used to be included in this, in the room rent. And see the ambience of this restaurant. Here you get a buffet breakfast here, early morning. Hello. Yes, good afternoon. How are you?
I'm good, sir. How are you, sir?
I'm good, man.
You stay here?
No. I am coming after, 3 years.
3 years, okay. Mano.
So Mr. Mano is in charge of.
He's not in here, sir. I'm just a staff.
Okay, so he's a staff, but food is also really good. I remember tasting, and the monkeys will sit here when the food timing. The monkeys will come and sit here. So I still remember this used to be my place. That always I will come and sit over there. So friends, after 3 years I'm coming. This place is to be mine. So my guest will be sitting over there and I will be sitting here.
So no changes now. Like
No.
One South Indian and North Indian breakfast will be there.
Okay.
So South Indian idli or dosa and some puttu will be there.
Puttu will be there.
Yes,
Yeah.
and this aloo paratha and puri
Okay.
and chana bhatura.
That's a North Indian.
North
Oh,
Indian.
very good for North Indians.
And this is sambar, chutney, two variety chutney will be there.
Okay.
One tomato chutney, one coconut chutney will be there. And this was chana will be there.
Okay.
And this is bread toast, and one egg to order will be there. One boiled egg or omelette will be there.
Oh, so boiled egg omelette.
Yes.
And for foreigners you have,
No, not only foreigners.
No, for foreigners you have toast.
For the same breakfast.
Same breakfast.
Yes. If foreigners will come, you ask if you come any continental breakfast, we will arrange for that.
Okay, so
Pancake,
okay,
some pasta.
okay.
Like that.
So
This one we will arrange for the cut foods.
Yeah.
variety of fruits.
Oh, the fruits will be here. Okay, okay.
And here that cereals.
What about cornflakes and all that?
Yes, the
That
cereals.
oh, cereals are here. Okay,
The
okay.
corn flakes and wheat flakes will be there. And with hot milk.
Okay, okay, okay. So cereals will be here.
And here is the fresh juice will be.
Fresh juice and tea and coffee.
Tea and coffee and fresh juice.
Fresh juice. So, thank you very much for explaining, because people should know what you get here.
Yes.
So, this is included in the room rent.
Yes, yes.
No, the food is breakfast is included. For lunch and dinner, you can pay extra.
Extra pay.
So that's very nominal also, and very good food. Let me tell you, friends, very good food.
Thank you.
And this is for lunch, no?
Sorry?
Soup and all.
Yeah, yes, the soup bowl will be there.
Soup bowls.
Dinner, lunch, no?
You get soup and all that. So
For the buffet, we'll add for the soup.
yeah. So
Here is the veg soup will be there, and then there is the non-veg soup.
non-veg. So veg is separate and non-veg is separate. So this is for veg,
Yes.
and that is for non-veg. So people who are vegetarian, don't worry. Your food is cooked separately here. So thank you very much. Thanks a lot. And this is the washroom here, this side. And there is, I think Ayurveda, no? First there is to be a indoor games, carom and all that. We'll go back. Yes. So see this property. You will love it. See, for children there is, we call it jhula. In English we call swing. And then this one here. Oh, there's a hut here. Oh, so okay, there is a hut here, a small hut where you can sit and. But monkeys will come, no? If you have your food. Eh? Daytime, night time, no, it won't be there. Okay. So, friends, as I said, tiger and elephant is the main thing here. See the monkey here. See, this fellow is roaming, so you have to keep the doors closed. Here. See this guy here. He's roaming here. There are two of them. Oh, there are three of them. So these are the rooms where I used to stay here. There are so many other rooms here. Up also there are rooms. And there's a forest inside there. We'll go there. Outside the corner. Backside. So this guy is eating something. So what you have here, back of this property. So this is you can see this property here. So backside is you have a badminton court here, and you can play volleyball also. And here you get to see elephants and porcupines. So night when you come, porcupines they come here and elephants you are not allowed to cross over there because all wildlife are here. Such a quiet place. So Binny, he is my friend. I said we met yesterday, and he is having one son, Sharon, and married. So Binny, Sugana. So Binny is shy. He cannot speak much English, but he can understand. So Binny and I, we know each other for so many years now, more than 20 years. And that monkey has a small baby over there. You can see. Can you see, friends? 1 minute. Let me zoom it. See this. See that. He's giving a pose, Now he's quiet. There are rooms here, but I love the upper one, so we'll be going up. So I'll show you the upper property here, and the rooms are really good, well maintained. So if at all you know Malayalam, what he's saying, that I know, more than that. Yeah. So I am here, and he's also here. So he was talking about me and about the my foreign visitors. So Benny is taking me up, and this is my favorite ones. And see the ambience here. What a view you get here. It's very calm and quiet. Hello? Where in there? Huh? Akhil. Okay. So here you can see this. There is a dart game over there. Yeah, so this room I would like to show. You can see the bed. 3 people can easily sleep on this if you have children. And this is the view here. So, window. So this is the view what you get from here, the front view. Okay. There is a television here. Then there are complimentary many things, water and soap and all. So I am here. Okay. So very clean, you can see here. There is a towel rack over there. There are some shampoos over there. Very nice property. So friends, I hope you all love this property and surely you will come here and book this. And I'll mention the number here of this property. If at all you want, you can do it online. You can just book it online. Otherwise, you can call the manager over here and he will book for you. There are conference hall over there. So if you want to keep a conference or anything, if there is a company, they can also do that. So we have come down now. So that ends the tour. And I'll just take you out how it goes out. Night time, this thing's like a mushroom. It looks. It has some light over there, and there are a lot of jhulas, that is swings over there, slides there. Then a lot of children's activity they can play here. You can see. You can park your vehicle here. If you are booking this hotel, your vehicle is allowed inside. If you are not booking, then you have to come by bus or walk. There is no other way to come here. So if you have booked this hotel, you can park your vehicle here. So it's raining now. So that ends this. You can see it's written Periyar House. Can you see here? So Benny, bye. Okay. Okay. You will come on the video then. Okay then. Thanks a lot for everything. So like this you have good people here, and again that 4-wheel drive, you can see the 4-wheel drive is coming here. See the beauty of this. Let me zoom it. What a beauty. So I'm saying bye to this property. Bye bye. See you. Hope so. Maybe next time. So I have to walk. I hope there is no elephant here, because this is the place they kept for the elephant, so that the elephant won't come in the property. But here outside, sometimes you see elephant, you see spotted deer, you see barking deer. So let's hope the elephants won't come and attack me, because I am walking alone. So guys, it's pouring and this song matches this situation over here.
भीगे आज इस मौसम में लगी कैसी ये अगन झिम गिरे सावन सुलग सुलग जाए मन गया जिस मौसम में लगी कैसी ये अगन झिम झिम गिर सावन.
Show you this property. So it's called Aryana Nivas, the second government property, KTDC, Kerala Tourism Development Corporation, their property. So inside this forest, very close to the boat landing, there is one more property, and this is the entrance to the property. So if you book here, you can come and park your vehicle here. So this is a property, a beautiful property. Friends, as I said, this is one other property after Periyar House. This is little more expensive, and the third one is Lake Palace. That is the palace of the king of Travancore, and that is the most expensive one. So
It's not ready, sir.
yeah, no problem, no problem. So you can see here this one room. It's not ready because just now the guests have gone. Such a spacious room, such a big room, and the washroom is here. So they were full yesterday. So the guests have just vacated, and this is how it looks here. A beautiful washroom here. Your name, sir? Sibish. Huh?
Yeah, Subish.
How many years you are working here now?
4 years, sir.
Okay, so I come before that, So this is the property, a very big property. This also beautifully maintained, and you can see the swimming pool from here. So guys, this is the pool here. You can enjoy a swim in the summer, and this is how it looks here. What is the depth of this?
4 feet.
4 feet. So the depth is not much, 4 feet. So everyone can enjoy. So this is the restaurant here. So only breakfast is included, no? Only breakfast, no? So as in the Periyar House, the same thing here. Only breakfast is included, and lunch and dinner they charge you extra. Hello, sir. How are you? So this is how it looks. So the same breakfast what you get in Periyar House, no? Any difference? Little difference. So your name, sir? Sadesh. So you are the in charge, yeah?
Yeah,
And very beautiful, What's the sitting capacity here?
we have 50 packs.
50 packs. Very good, So thank you. Thank you. Really good, Enough. This is enough. So thank you, everyone. Thanks a lot. So we move out now. So this is what I wanted to show. 2 properties. Third property I won't be able to show because it's in the middle of the lake, and as I said, it's an island. So that's the palace of the king of Travancore, converted into a resort, a hotel.